How's it, guys? Welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is Making Stuff. So it seems winter is officially upon us. It's roughly 10 degrees Celsius in this workshop, and throughout my adult life I've been either too brave or too stupid to wear a jacket. So I'll just sit here and get cold and drink my hot tea. Awesome. So today's a very special episode for me, as I've reached a milestone, and that milestone is 500,000 views. Okay, I know that's not that amazing. It would be nice if those were subscribers, but I'm not complaining. I'll take it. To celebrate this milestone of 500,000 views, I've decided to make myself a YouTube play button. I actually wanted to do a play button build when I reached 1,000 subscribers. That was a couple of months back. I can't remember exactly why I didn't do it then, but I must have been busy with something else. So I didn't do it when I was planning to, and then I just sort of forgot about it. As I was watching my analytics, I realized I was growing closer to this 500,000 views on YouTube. So I decided once I reach that, I'll make the play button then. Before we get started with this build, I thought it would be nice if I shared with you my analytics for the last roughly year and a couple of months that I've been on YouTube, because this is a question I get asked a lot. How much are you making on YouTube? And a short answer would be not much. Okay, so here we are. Welcome to my YouTube dashboard. So I don't know if it's 100% legal for me to share this kind of information with you, but if not, send a postcard to my jail cell, please. So as you can see, right up there, 505,000 views, 3,176 subscribers, and as you can see, in the last couple of days I have had a tiny spike, nothing drastic. So let's go on to the interesting stuff. Let's have a look at my analytics for the last 28 days. Watch time 188,000. I always love this. When you hover over there, it tells you 131 days and 5 hours. That's how much time people have been spending watching my videos. That's awesome. I just love seeing that. As you can see here, my average views in a month is 33,000, and my estimated revenue is $69 US. So not exactly retirement kind of money right there. So while we're looking at these analytics, let's have a look at Social Blade. Now for those of you that don't know what Social Blade is, it's a website that allows you to check the stats of YouTubers and other platforms such as Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Dailymotion and Mixer. So you can type in their username and they will give you a rough estimate of what your ranking is, your grade, your monthly earnings and your estimated yearly earnings. So according to Social Blade, my monthly earnings is between $9 and $139 US. So that seems to be right on the money at 69. That's somewhere right in the middle there. My estimated yearly earnings, 104 to 1,700 US a year. So let's check my actual analytics to see what I made. For the last 28 days, it seems accurate. So let's have a look at my lifetime stats. Boom, lifetime. So according to YouTube, my estimated lifetime earnings, or revenue as YouTube calls it, is 1,000 US. Luckily I had some other streams of income, otherwise I would probably be bankrupt by now. So what you'll always also see is that at least 95 to 99% of all of these views have come from a handful of videos. First being my cheap table saw improvements video, part 1, which has gotten 335,000 views. Second in line is the rebuild I did of that same table saw, part 3, at 46,000 views, and my router table build at 42,000, my bar clamps at 37,000, and my table saw improvements part 2, where I built the base for it, is at 13,000 views. And it just goes down from there. I'm surprised actually to see that my welding bench, my workshop Genesis, which was my first build video I put on YouTube, is climbing steadily at 8,000 views at the moment. which is funny because that was the worst video I ever made. But some of my older videos are also starting to creep up. So enough of that, let's get to building this play button. So if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Thank you all for the 500,000 views I've gotten so far, and here's to the next 500,000 views. I'm very chuffed with my new play button. I've just got to decide where I'm going to put it up here in the workshop. I've only got like 97,000 subscribers to go before I get the real thing, so at least I've got something to keep me company till then. Before I say goodbye, there's someone I'd like to mention. Is a YouTuber that I'm sure anyone who's subscribed to my channel will probably already know. His name is Dustin Penner from DP Make Stuff in Canada. He's an awesome YouTuber. If you don't know him, check him out. He has amazing woodworking skills, and some of the first videos of his that I checked was fancy boxes that he made with hidden compartments in them. I happen to be a supporter of his on Patreon, and a couple of months after I started supporting him on Patreon, he sent me this letter all the way from Canada, which is a old school type note thanking me for being his first supporter from Africa, and he also sent me along these 2 stickers. So I just wanted to mention him. If you ever watching this, perhaps, Dustin, thank you very much. I appreciate the stickers and the note you sent me. Maybe one day when I've got my own stickers, I'll send a couple your way. So Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, keep making stuff.